All right, it rained so much, the creek is so high, these boys thought they would tube down it.
He's gonna get stuck in the tree.
Oh, he's gonna raise
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I'll catch it! I'll catch it!
Get over, Tanner! Oh, he stayed on his.
That was awesome!
It's heavy, he can't get it. Oh, goodness.
It's still going, the
Yeah.
tube is still going.
Oh, is he gonna get it?
Debbie! There comes Tanner.